turning left at this stop sign. We are entering to another road with the stop signs ahead of us. Watch, there is a sidewalk after the stop sign. So we stop at the edge of the sidewalk, check left, check right, check left blind spot. We are approaching to the edge of the street and look right, look left, and then continue with the hand over hand and let the steering come back itself and drive in right side, which is your side. Okay, you are crossing this stop sign. Always stop. You only stop once prior to the white line, first white line. No cars, no pedestrian, your turn. Do not hesitate, go. We are entering another school zone. If you turn right at this, always stop. I want to mention one of the signs which is important, and I want everyone pay attention to that sign. Right blind spot and we turn right. Here there is a yellow sign, it's called deaf child area. That sign is indicating that there is a child in this area which unfortunately cannot hear us. So what we should do as a driver, we must not honk the horn, because we don't know which child is deaf, and we have to respect everyone and must not honk the horn and drive slowly. Be more careful. Now I'm going to show you how you cross the yield sign. Yield sign means you don't have to stop, but you must stop if it's necessary to stop. What that means, it means drive slowly, watch left, right at the edge of the road, and proper signal. You must watch both sides of the road, at the edge of the road. If you see something, any cars or pedestrian try to cross, you must stop for them. It means you have to give them right to go. We are turning right here. The yellow sign is in front of us. Drive slowly. Check both sides, including sidewalk, road, no cars, right blind spot, and go. Okay? That's how you're supposed to go. If you see something, you must stop. Okay?
Okay. So you slow down, check if it's empty, if it's clear, then you go. If you see another vehicle coming, pedestrian, then you come to a complete stop.
You must stop, because you have to give them right to go. Yes, they have right to go. Yes. You must come to complete stop if you see something, whether pedestrian,
yes,
or vehicle.